When you think of a shark, you probably think of one of these guys. But did you know that there are over 500 species of shark? Precisely 536. The different species are divided into 9 groups who are more closely related to each other, and these groups are called orders. Within these orders there are families, and within these families there are species. So here is a rundown of the family tree of sharks. The first group is the frilled and cow sharks. Within this, we have the frilled sharks, like this little guy, and the cow sharks, such as the six-gill shark. The next group is the bramble sharks. Within this, we have the bramble shark and the prickly shark. Then we have the dogfish sharks. Within this are lots of species of dogfish, like the spur dog and the mandarin, but we also have the gulper sharks, like the dumb gulper, the lantern sharks, like the ninja lantern shark, the sleeper sharks, like the Greenland shark and the frog shark, the rough sharks, which all kind of look like this, and the kite fin sharks, like the cookie cutter shark. The next group is the saw sharks. Within this is the saw sharks with their saw-like snout. Then the next group is the angel sharks, and these guys look like a cross between a shark and a ray. The next group is the bullhead sharks, which contains the horn shark and the Port Jackson shark, among many other species, but they all kind of look like this. The next group is the carpet sharks. Here we have the collared carpet sharks and the blind carpet sharks, which aren't actually blind, and the long-tail carpet sharks like the bamboo and epaulette sharks, which can walk. We also have the wobbegong sharks, the zebra shark, the nurse shark, and the well-known whale shark. The next group is the mackerel sharks, and this contains more of the well-known sharks. So here we have the goblin shark, the sand tiger and deep-sea sand tiger, and the crocodile shark, as well as the megamouth, who eats plankton, and the basking shark, who also eats plankton. It also contains the thresher sharks, the guys with the long tails, and a special mention to the big-eye thresher. And finally, there's the great white sharks, which scientists just call white sharks, and the mako, as well as the salmon shark and the poor beagle, which kind of look like mini great whites. And finally, we have the ground sharks. Within this are the cat sharks, which there are a lot of species of, and even more deep-sea cat sharks and finback cat sharks, and even some false cat sharks, as well as the hound sharks, which includes taupe, and the weasel sharks, as well as the requiem sharks, which includes the bull, the oceanic whitetip, the tiger, the silky, the blue, reef sharks, the Galapagos sharks, dusky, sandbar, spinner, lemon, and finally, it also contains the most recently evolved group of sharks, the hammerheads. So, this is our current understanding of the shark family tree. But things may change as new groups and species get discovered and as we learn more about who is related to who. After all, over 325 of these species were described in the last 20 years.